Good morning, ma'am. I am Ron Michael, and today I am going to show you how to create the 1 to 2 demultiplexer. And then first things first, we will have to create a new circuit by adding circuit, which will be named as 1 to 2 demultiplexer. And then we will be analyzing the circuit, which will lead us again to the combinational analysis. The combinational analysis, we will be establishing our inputs, outputs, and the truth table there. And here we go. And we will have the um, a selector and an input. And for the output, we will be having output 1 and output 2. And then for the truth table, we will be basing our truth table here. Uh, I will show the truth table for the 1 to 2 demultiplexer. 1 to 2 multiplexer. Here, this is the two outputs, output 1 and output 2. We will be inserting copying the two outputs here in the combinational analysis. And that will result into this. I will be showing the combinational analysis, and there it is, the outputs. And then we will be building the circuit for the demultiplexer. And after that, I will be showing you the uh, output product. This is the desired output product. And then the next step will be, we will be going to the main circuit and then dragging the multiplier that we have created a while ago. We will be putting it here. And then we will insert two input pins, which will be named as the selector and the I. There. We will be naming this as the selector, and this one will be named as I. And then we will be putting the two outputs. This will be output 1, which will be named as O1. And then this will be output 2, which will be named as O2. O2. And then for the multiplexer, we will be getting it here in the plexer stack. And then clicking to the multiplexer, we will be dragging it here. And then insert the pins, the required pins. And this pin will be named as the I pin. And then the pin below will be named as the selector. And then the two output pins here will be copying this and then place it here. We place it here after pasting it. And then we will be connecting it here. And then after that, we will be naming this as the 1 to 2 demultiplexer. To prove that it is working as it is supposed to be, we will be doing this. If we input uh, 1 here in I, the output 1 will be 1. And if both the inputs, which is selector and I, will have an input of 1, the output O2 will have an input of 1. And to prove that it is the same, I mean to prove that this is supposed to be working as it is supposed to be, uh, the circuit below should be functioning the same as the here in the circuit above. And to prove that this should be working both, I mean these two circuits is should work uh, the same. To prove that, we will be doing this by clicking here. We will be having an output of 1, and then by clicking the selector, we will be having an output of 2, which is the same here in the circuit below. If we have an input of 1, we have an output of 1. And then if both of the inputs I and selector have 1, O2 will have an output of 1. And that's it for the multiplexer. Thank you for listening.